Comparing fractions. In the past, you learned to compare fractions by drawing models and looking at the shaded amounts. Now we're going to do a quick, more efficient strategy to comparing fractions. This is the cross multiplication strategy. And you will use this strategy to determine which fraction is greater or less than or even equal to the other fraction. Looking at our example here, we're comparing 4/8 to 2/3. Now to cross multiply, we're going to take the bottom denominator and multiply by the opposite top numerator and get a product. Then we're going to take the other bottom denominator and cross up to the opposite numerator and find its product. Then compare the two products. So in this case, 8 times 2 is 16 and 3 times 4 is 12. And we write these, they should be pretty tiny up here in the top corners of the fractions. So now we compare 12 to 16 and we know 12 is less than 16. Now let's try some examples. Cross multiplying. 7 times 5 is 35, so really little. I'm going to write 35 up here in the corner. And then I'm going to cross multiply 8 times 2, which is 16. And I'm going to write that very small here in this corner. And now I compare 35 and 16, and I know that 16 is less than 35. So 2/7 is less than 5/8. 9 times 10 is 90. And 12 times 5 is 60. And I compare 60 to 90, and 60 is less than 90. So 5/9 is less than 10/12. 6 times 9 is 54. Write that in the top right corner, and it should be smaller than the fractions so they don't blend. And 11 times 1 is 11. Compare 11 to 54, and so 1/6 is less than 9/11. That's cross multiplying to compare fractions.